Hello and welcome to the Knowledge Hub. Think about where are you going and what's happening in a tech world. They are making more advanced technology day by day for the better future. Is it necessary or it will threat for the humanity? Let's discuss about it. Please watch till the end. What are the small language model and are they better than LLMs? Did you ever heard about it? I'm sure few of you know about it. We have achieved peak data from OpenAI chief scientist Leah, such ever said on stage at the NERD PS conference last year. We have to deal with the data that we have and there's only one internet. Such Ever's comment comes amid speculation that we speed up the progress in large language model. LLM was hitting a wall as the scaling was reaching its digital end. The prevailing idea has been that the bigger an AI model, the smarter it is. When and how did this shift to smaller models begin? The race toward building large AI model has been building up ever since OpenAI released their 175 billion parameter LLM GPT-3 in 2020. In the next 3 years, the company's LLMs further increased in size with a GPT-4 trained on 1.7 trillion parameters. But in 2024, researchers started to look at the language model differently as scaling trained data scored from the internet was giving marginal gains. The idea was that building a smaller language model emerged. This is evident in announced made by the big data firms. Most of them release a nifty language model alongside their flagship AI model. Google DeepMind released the Gemini Ultra Nano and the Flash models, while OpenAI and Meta launched their GPT 4.0 Mini and Llama 3 models. Amazon-backed Anthropic AI launched Cloud 3 and Haku alongside the Ops. What are the advantage and drawback of a small language model? Small language models SLMs are cheaper and ideal for the specific use cases for the company that needs AI for the set of specialized tasks. It doesn't require a large AI models. The training small models requires less data, less time, and less training. French startup Mistral AI, an SLM provider, pitched its AI model to be efficient as LLMs for the specialized focus on application. Microsoft released a family of small language models called PHI. The latest PHI 3 Mini comprised 3.8 billion parameter. Apple Intelligence, the AI system deployed in a latest iPhone and iPad, runs on a device AI model that can sort of match the performance of a top LLMs. LLMs are internationally built to achieve artificial general intelligence AGI. Small language models are made for the specific use cases. How do use cases differ from large and small AI model? Small language models are perfect for edge cases, said Rahul Dhanvate, ML engineer at Adobe. When I'm using WhatsApp or any Meta application which is powered by Llama 8B models, I'm trying to learn a new language because it's reasonably good at a translation and other basic tasks like this. But they wouldn't do well at the most benchmark that the large language model are measured against, like a coding or a logical model problem. There still isn't small language models that's a good or solving more complex problem, he said. We still aren't fully aware why the bottleneck exists, but the best way we can understand this is just a human begins. We still aren't fully aware why this bottleneck exists, but the best way we can understand this is just a human being. We have brains with a massive numbers of neurons. The smaller animals has a limited numbers of neurons. This is why human brains have a capacity for a far more complex levels of intelligence. This is similar to how small language models and large language models work, he said. How does it work for the India? In a country like India, where the scope of AI adoption is immense but resources are the constraint. The diamond words small language models is perfect. Another AI initiative from IIT Hyderabad, Vishram is building data sets for the group of build a small language model that can be used in healthcare, agriculture, education and promote and preserve language and the culture diversity through AI. Their website stated, as the world of language models deployed in a not just enough to build up frontier models from scratch, Shivams. As AI co-founder Vivek Raghavan said, we want to build Gen AI that billions Indians can use. So this was the case. If you found this video valuable, helpful and knowledgeable, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Keep learning, keep watching. Have a great day.